Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see The Nightmare Before Christmas taken over by Beetlejuice just a little bit? Well, let's paint a lip art on this topic. The top lip is purple, the bottom lip is grey, and we're painting the spiral hill in white, but not because of the snow in the end of the movie The Nightmare Before Christmas, but because this is one of the things taken over by Beetlejuice, so just striped like his costume, or like a sandworm diving from under the ground. We're still gonna paint the moon, and in the meantime, please leave a comment which movie you like more, The Nightmare Before Christmas or Beetlejuice. Let's add the slimy green icing on the cake, and let's paint the pumpkins, which remember were at the bottom of the hill of the mountain, the Nightmare Before Christmas movie, but let's make them Beetlejuice colors, purple, green, and striped black and white. Let's paint their faces in orange, and a grave, which probably is Beetlejuice's grave, a tombstone. Let's add a 3D effect by painting the black shadows and slightly blending them underneath the pumpkins and the grave. And of course, let's add the yellow eyes so that they can glow and scream in the dead of night. Carve your lips with foundation to make the lip line more crisp and precise. Leave this video a like if you're enjoying it so far. Definitely let me know if you would like more detailed tutorials like this. And check out my channel for more lip art and Patreon for detailed exclusive tutorials.